AirHelp Review, how to claim flight compensation fast step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you AirHelp Review, how to claim flight compensation fast. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below. You'll find exclusive coupon codes, discount offers, and special deals that can help you save a lot on your booking. First, open the AirHelp website and click on Check Compensation. Then fill in the departure, airport, and final destination. Next, click Continue, select the date, and fill in the airline and flight number. Click Continue again, select My flight was delayed, and click Continue. Then click on Explore AirHelp and follow the prompts to purchase. You'll need to enter your card details, number, expiry date, security code, first name and last name. Select your country and click Pay to complete the transaction. Go to the link in the description, copy one of the AirHelp coupon codes, and then paste it into the promo box. Click Apply. Before you go, don't forget to check the link in the description again for all the latest and AirHelp Review, how to claim flight compensation fast before they expire. If this video helped you save money, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.